Welcome to Khadija's World. Today we are going to read Night Night Farm. Let's start. The sun is setting overhead. It's time to put the farm to bed. Everyone should be tucked in tight. The time has come to say good night. Horse is getting a warm and snug underneath a woolly rug. Night cat. Night mouse. Night dog. What a cozy place to stay. Night horse. The chicks are heading to the coop. Sleepy heads begin to drop. Fluffy bundles, soft and sweet. Night chicks, tweet. The cows have finished munching grass. The busy day is done at last. Ready to sleep the whole night through. Night cows, moo moo. Night bunnies. The moon and stars are shining bright. Settle down, switch off the light. All is quiet, all is calm. Night, sleepyhead. Night farm. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Good night. Have sweet dreams. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe.